no.
My country people of Nigeria, now me una country brother they call Frederick Odorigen from the Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria. Today, I want follow all those guys who they call thugs, political thugs. I want follow the young, and I want follow young today now. Because if you look, all the problems that happen for Nigeria today with all the bad leadership, now those thugs, political thugs, now they cause them. You go collect money, put for your pocket, finish. You can't force bad leaders who don't get brain, make them enter into office as senator, governor, president, councillor, House of Assembly member, House of Reps. You can't force them enter power. They go use you, you go snatch ballot boxes, you go rig election, you go for attack political opponent house, go burn the political opponent house, or go shoot her, or go kill her, or go burn the car. Because somebody send you. Person when they send you, so you not go fit send the pikin no. Because if you say another man pikin, I feel crazy. They go send you, you go do all those kind of things. So now, if you look all those two that for Nigeria, now some of themselves, now they send go share rice, go share gari for people made them for vote against their conscience. Now look the way Nigeria they go today now. You like it? Ask yourself, you like her. Even if they give you 1 million that time for the election, you don't collect boys, use the other men, go do one thing. The money now is never finish. You like the way Nigeria they go today now. No road. Insecurity, people not they sleep well again because of fear of kidnapping. Unemployment, even some of them will be political talks, so will be sick kidnappers. All those life here now, nothing, nothing inside. Nothing inside. Now they get baby factory, no electricity for Nigeria, unemployment, everything rough because of say bad leaders they power. And now when the talks so that I put them for power. Now this kind of Nigeria now. Even some of the talks, they be big time talks. Some of their children they are abroad, even talks on children they are abroad. Because they don't collect money from different politicians say they go deliver. They don't come give you small kofra boy. They'll give like 10k, 20k, you could jollify. So you say you don't obtain national cake. 20k, 10k. 4 years when they go stop this on 1,460 days. You do the mathematics now. 1,460 days for 4 years when politicians they stay office. Divided by your 20k when they give you now. You go say money they give you for 1 day for within those 4 years. Now reach pure water now. Now you say that pure water spirit. Now you get now. Pure water, money, now they die for. So you like the Nigerian way you sit to them. Even if you get, you say in a serious senior talk, you get, everybody around you not get. Now life be that one. Now life be that one. You will call yourself boy to talk. Begin to the think of your life when some of them say now they confront, so now they rugged. Rugged man they fight for justice. Rugged man not they fight another person say because not the person that not the body say not the same court or they not they drag one thing for area all the kind of rubbish talk. Rugged people now men where they fight for injustice and the government they fight not be the same people they suffer like them. Because they define what they call that rugged for those confront when they do so. When they define our way. Because the way the country be for Nigeria now. Whether or not they sleep, say we will not even know. Because we wait that abroad, say come like say Nigeria they pain us personal. Because we don't see what they for abroad. Because they look way down for Nigeria, because they vex. If you not come off for that Nigeria, you're not going to say politicians, they don't finish us. They don't finish us. Most of all these countries where with this small people, they travel, they go somewhere, pass water, they go past Libya, who survive enter. All those countries where they go, they don't get money reach Nigeria because talks don't spoil Nigeria with bad politicians. Those are people small, they don't die for water. Because they escape from country when it's spoil because of politicians. And our talks put there for them. That's also not so good a day. That's so good a day. That's so good a day. To carry you from your own village, your area, make you enter motor. Go another local government, another state, go spoil election there, you collect like 10k. If you get aspect for road, you die through it. The key for road that you die through, now life be down. for 10K, 20K. Now life you don't. Your conscience dey smell. Your conscience dey smell. When I begin to dey think things well, because if once make Nigeria good, then everybody go put them together. We go put our religion, we go put our region, we go put our tribe, everything, our political party, we go put everything for corner. We all go join together, make the country good. But the first thing for us to make Nigeria good and our conscience, the change, now we go first start am. Now you go tell yourself as from today, I'm not going to do talk again, talk work again. Not today side now. Now special, now colonna, now special colonna. Just the colonna say na talk. Carry you go the 6 ballot balls, they display, people they run. Now life be down. After you come enter one beer parlor, they'll give you beer, make you drink. Or they come give you pepper soup, make you drink. Now you dey worry yourself. Now you be the Greek bears where they worry yourself. They're not to tell you now. You go force people. Put any apple for government finish. But this one what they tell you now be saying, if you collect money from human being, take kill another human being, that blood will follow you till you die. Because what happen from Nigeria now, they say people they don't kill, innocent people they don't kill, their blood they cry. Their blood they cry. So that house where you build with blood of Nigerians, because of saying now what kind of rugged dog and what you call yourself, you don't get peace for that house now. That motor where you buy, because of saying you're dog, you know go drive that motor get peace. One of the motor will kill you. Even all those boys when they follow you say they will talk, when they call you I'm lawyer, I remain lawyer, one of them will still shoot you down. All those juju wey say they do, you still say you get one jazz or they say they shoot you. Oh, they should go back. That same jazz will kill you one day. You do juju reach Agu Irosi. When they do cool, when they kill Agu Irosi, this say don't get jazz for it. Jazz they fail now. Not because the same person. That business where you open with talk money, talk green, what you do, or you keep person, this say you get peace in that business. It say profit go come from that business. So can't you go to say the business they move about, but can't bam, everything will just swallow. So if you don't say you wise man, from now you go tell yourself say you don't go ever do anything talk again. Confront, forget that one, not today. Not today. Anything talk green, so they come tell you say one thing I talk. Tell them they go to their children or carry their children go abroad, go to school, give them good life. If you see classroom for abroad, you go like now. Then you call the consequent Nigeria for you call the carry government go kill. Since they do talk, well, we don't see governor picking when they follow you like talk. Even for another campaign, they see governor children for the campaigns. When I go wear t-shirt, give na face cap, and they trek for hot sun, give na pure time, make na drink. You dey see governor picking for them, or any legislator picking the join them. Because another man picking I feel crazy now. When I wise up. Because now I want to formally declare war against Togri for Nigeria. That they call what? W-A-T. War against Togri. Whether you na church, whether you na Moscow, whether you na any political party, we all go come together. We go declare war. After election, any talk when you say, now they use this for election for us, we go find you, go your house, go ask you questions. Because I know Nigeria won't be, so we don't want another Nigeria. Now, new Nigeria, now we want. Inside the same Nigeria, so. Then at the matter where I just bring come give now today. But before I go where, now turn I want him. Now for the veranda of lazy man, now they stand, they point one house when they for yonder. They say that house where they see for yonder, so. The guy we get the house before, that guy, the guy na heavy talk, the guy na heavy confront, the guy na heavy jaguda, the guy na thunder, but the guy don't die. All those stories they talk about the man, so don't die. Now veranda of lazy man house, now they point jaguda man house, but the jaguda don't die. War against Togri. Nigeria must be free. And our hand is there. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now, when our brothers and sisters were there abroad, I say, we tell them this story. We, what do they call, Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria. Nigeria will be better, and with our eyes, we go see them. Don't let anybody deceive you. God will answer our prayer. Now, thank you.